Hi friends, ladies and gentlemen, this is Balasubramaniam. First of all, I would like to thank each one of you for your grand support that you have extended to me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Let us learn something new with Subbu. When I started this channel, probably 1.5 months back, in a formal way, I did not know what I am going to post. I also did not know what kind of contents I should include in my channel. But one thing was clear, that this channel I am not going to start for closing it. And I also wanted to make a promise to my subscribers that if you are subscribing to my channel, definitely you will gain something, positivity, some education, as well as some motivation. So once again, friends, thanks a lot for subscribing to my channel. And in case you have still not subscribed to my channel, I will humbly request you to do that so that you also become part of my YouTube family. Thanks again. Today I thought, as part of my profession, I happen to be a researcher working in the area of atmospheric science. So I always wanted to post some of the educational videos which are pertaining to the atmospheric science. If I discuss a little bit more about my field, I work in the area of atmospheric science, the numerical weather prediction. And the numerical weather prediction consists of the studies of the atmosphere, that is a fluid. So it becomes the part of fluid dynamics. Don't worry friends, I am not going to show any equations today. Today's video is absolutely not on equation. But today I am going to present something in a very different fashion. The fluid dynamics, the fluid mechanics, or I can say the atmospheric science. When we go through the contents, we have many ways to look at the contents. Yes, weather prediction is one of my important professions which I have to do. But beyond that, if I see what is the fluid dynamics, it will take me to the very basic definition of the fluid dynamics, which states that anything which can flow is what we call the fluid. And the question comes, whatever things flow, why does it flow? What are its characteristics? Then we have to go for a definition. And if we search the definition, fluid can be defined as a substance that has no fixed shape and yields easily to external pressure. The easiest way to visualize a fluid is water. What I am showing you here is a flowing water in canal, river, dam. When I happen to see this fluid as a fluid dynamic specialist or a meteorologist, it will take me back to these equations. But when I happen to see this with respect to the life, I see a very different picture. And that different picture is what I want to show you today. What is that picture? That picture is here. Dear friends, when I happen to see a water, or I can say a river flowing, I happen to see that it changes its shape very easily. That is very immediately visible. Second things, when it is flowing through its path, it faces many obstacles. You call it rocks, you call it trees, you call it canals, you call it buildings. But the river is well determined to flow. What you can see here is a rock is there, and since the river is determined to flow, it will find its way. No matter whether it goes from the left side or the right side or the top side or the bottom side, but it will find a way to cross that obstacle. So friends, that is what I believe. The obstacles disappear as and when we decide to pass through it. But that is not the end of the story. One more thing which I happen to extract from this particular vision, that is, we cannot avoid the obstacles. in life or in profession, the obstacles are bound to come. They will come one way or other. You cannot avoid them, but you can learn how to overcome them. And how do we overcome them is what shows the path of life. So friends, at another side of the same fluid, that is the river, when I happened to see some wooden pieces stuck up in the flow, I questioned myself, why is that the water is able to flow all through, but these wooden pieces are not able to cross the flow? They are entangled somewhere and they are stuck up somewhere. Then the answer I find that these wooden pieces resist to adapt to the flow. Yes, it is a big question whether it is for good or bad, I do not know. But they definitely resist to adapt to the flow, or I can say they resist to adapt to the situation. I cannot say whether one should resist or one should not resist, but depending on whether it is for good reasons or bad reasons, we can conclude. Dear friends, I may like to draw your attention to one of the very famous stories about the Nokia company. You all know that Nokia makes the mobiles, and Nokia company was riding like anything in the beginning of the 21st century. It was probably on the top of the most sold mobiles companies. But eventually, when the Android operating system came up and other companies took the competition, Nokia was left nowhere. And the Nokia CEO, in the final speech, he said that we did not do anything wrong, but somehow we lost. But if I go one step ahead to find out not the wrongdoings by Nokia, but to adopt how to learn to not fall in the same kind of lap. Important point is we should learn how to change, and we should learn when to change. Because if you fail to miss the opportunity, we may even lose the chances of our survival. What does it mean? We all have some advantages today. We all have some caliber. We all have some positive notes. But if you don't make use of them today for the right purpose, tomorrow the same things will not be sustained with us. So we should make use of the opportunity what we have today, and we should be ready to accept the changes and adapt to the situation to make the best out of our caliber. And I always say, in the path of success or in the path of life, when you have to decide whether you want to go fast or you want to go far. If you want to go fast, you can go alone. You can probably overtake a couple of friends, couple of companies, and you can reach the number one spot very easily. But that is if you want to go fast. But friends, if you want to go for a longer ride, if you want to go too far, it is always advisable to go together. Take the company of friends, take the company of relatives, then you will be able to reach a longer distance. And this is what is called in the African proverb. If you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, go together. So friends, before I conclude this video, I thought I will leave a positive note of message that problems are bound to come, as I said. In life, problems are bound to come. But what should be our attitude? If you see the problem as a very big problem, you may not be able to find a solution. But if you approach the same problem with a will to solve it, your step by step, your moments, your all activities, which you can do brick by brick, step by step, one by one, will lead to a solution. So whenever you are stuck up with an obstacle, so that's it from my side, friends. I hope you like this video. Please like this, share it, and also subscribe to my channel, and stay positive, because with a positive mind, all the problems are bound to go away. and a very good solution will follow us. Thanks a lot again for watching my video. Take care.
Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to press the like button, share this video and subscribe to my channel. And press the bell icon for receiving regular updates. We'll meet you again in the next video.